Hi everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. Today I bought a whole salmon from a local shop. This way you will save money as it will be better value than shop prepared fish. I want to share with you how I prepare and fillet it like this. You will find it very easy to fillet any fish at home. To make the meals for your family, to carry out this, we need a fish scales remover, a pair of scissors, a chef's knife, a boning knife, and a lemon. Now let's start. First, I spread the fish scales away. I have bought this tool in Vietnam. You can buy a similar one on Amazon, or you can use this part of scissors to scrape the fish scales. Or you can also use a knife to do it. The salmon is very fresh, and the tool will scrape the scales away easier. You see, it does not take much time to scrape the fish scales away. I now cut up all the fins and the tail of the fish. If you want to keep the fish head, you cut up the gills. And do not forget to cut off the fish teeth. We will be very happy if you give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to encourage us to create many videos in the future. Remove the blood clots from the fish belly too. I cut the lemon into pieces and use pieces of lemon to rub onto the fish skin and the fish head, its belly, then use the knife to scrape off the fish slime. This method is to remove the fishy smell of the fish, but on the contrary, the fish becomes less firm. Wash it and dry it. Cut off the head of the fish. Use the bony knife to fillet the fish. Give a cut in the middle of the top of the fish. I start from the tail to the head of the fish, open upper and lower wide, so I can make a long and continuous smooth cut. I continue slowly to cut deeper and deeper to the belly of the fish, and cut the flesh of the bone of the fish. Now I have the flesh of the half of the fish. Continue to remove the fish bone from the flesh. Continue to remove the flesh 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 from the flesh trim the bone underside of the fish. You see, it is easy to fillet. Although I'm not a fishmonger, I'm successful and I believe you will be successful. Thank you for watching.